Hello, my friends. In the previous video, we made the donut structure. In this video, we are going to make the icing. So, let's begin. So, we have our donut here. So, we are going to change a little bit of, we are going to modify this donut a little bit, which I forgot in the last video. So, what I'll do is, I'll go to the um, I'll press 1 in my number pad. I'll select uh, I'll select all the vertices, and I'll go to this panel, and I'll select the bisect tool. Now uh, I'll bisect this place, and without pressing anywhere I'll scale this, but make sure also on the turn on the proportional editing, so that uh, so it's too much. So I'll make the line here somewhere. Yeah, so I'll do it again. Yeah, scale a little bit more big. Yeah, that should be okay, but I think little less. It's like too much. Yeah, this should work. So now what I do is, to make the icing, first we'll we'll go to edit mode again. We'll go, we'll enable X-ray mode. We'll press 1 in our number pad. Oh, we don't need to bisect again. We'll go to select box mode, and we'll select here this much. And now, oh oh yeah, I'll press 1 again, and I'll duplicate this. No, I'm going to select again. Yeah, I guess I should select. Yeah, and now I'll press Shift D, and then I'll press right. Then I'll right click, and I'll press P in my keyboard, and I'll enable selection. So it will make two different material. So I have my icing here. Yeah, and I'll select the bisect tool, and I'll bisect a area here. Yeah, and now I have a place here with a line, exact like straight line. So now I'll go to select box, and I'll exactly select this much area. I have selected more area. Okay, I have to do it again. So I'll do this, I'll repeat the same step. I'll select from here to here. Again, it's happening. Yeah, as you can see, we have selected shade, but still in some places it's like this. So uh try to select more detail. We'll try to select in more detail. So I'll select this part like this. It's not getting selected actually. Wait. Okay, I'll go to face select mode now. This will be easy. Yeah. Oh. Okay. So I'll do the same thing with the whole this thing. So okay. Yeah. So, oh my god. Like yeah. I'll select like this. I'll delete this faces. I'll press X and delete faces, and you can see it's still there. So we'll do it. We'll repeat this step again. This time in face select mode, and I'll press X faces. Again, I have to repeat this step because we have to make as straight as we can, like, as it is as possible. So okay. To try it. Oh my god. Okay, I'll do with this vertice select mode. Oh, I only got few. I'll press X and now I'll press vertices. So like it will delete the sum of the vertices. I'll repeat this step again. Oh, still not getting. Yeah, X vertices. Okay, so now we got a perfect sides. So it looks like this from the inside. So if I oh yeah, so if I unhide this, it looks like this. Don't be scared. It's nothing but it's overlapping. So if I hide this again, and so what I'll do is I'll go to the sculpt mode and I'll smooth this out because you can see there are bumpy places, but in the icing there's no bumpy place. So I'll smoothen this out. And make sure you don't like push more so that it like the shape is like type of dented. So we have to just touch up. I'll enable Dino Topo, and if I zoom now, yep. And so if I shade smooth, um, yeah. So if I shade smooth, I have this icing. So it's not the icing is not thick basically. It's like paper thin. So to make it a little bit of thickness, I'll open the modify and I'll add solidify modify. So why is it why in some places it's like cracking type? There are some vertices here. Should I delete this because is this like destroying it? So should I delete this? Uh, wow, what am I hiding? Adding fire. I added it again, but it's again like this. Should I try anything else? Okay, let me try one thing. uh, I'll just uh, select all these by pressing by selecting any one of the vertices and pressing A. So it will basically select all of the vertices in once. So now I'll press Alt J. So it will convert triangles. These you can notice, you can see these triangles, like many triangles. So it will basically try to convert these triangles to the quads. So if I press Alt J now, you can see some of the lines are like the vent. If I do again, you can see the difference. Yeah. So now we'll come out and we'll come to add object mode, and we'll add a modifier called decimate modifier. So now I'll in decimate modifier there are three types: collapse, unsubdivide, planner. So for now we'll use unsubdivide. So in unsubdivide I'll give the iterations to 20, and I'll try to give more, like what about 50, or I think I should give 100. So I'll try. Will it go more up like 200? No, it will not go. So if I put 100. Oh, if I put 20 to it, it's the same result. You can see if I put 0, the face count is like 2757. So if I put 1 also, it like if I put like 20, it's 2711. And if I even put 100, it's still 2711. So it's this the maximum. So I'll put as 20, and I'll apply this modifier. So you can see our mesh is little bit of more, like less messy. So if I repeat this step again, will it subdivide more or will it stop there? Okay, so it stops there. So I'll cross that modifier, and now if I press Alt J again, does it make any difference? um does it make any difference? I'm not understanding. Okay, so if I try to get the decimate modifier again, will it work? I'm just trying it. Okay, so it will not work basically. So if I put the solidify modifier this time, it's like still the same result. So why is this happening? Is this because of the overlapping vertices, or or should I delete these vertices? Okay, I understood now. So basically it's like vertices vertices like coming in the middle. So um you have to find the one vertex which is like making the mess, like I think this one, X. Yeah. So you have to just clean this mess, and I'll show you up after cleaning all these mesh. Yeah, so it looks like this after cleaning the mess, but still you can see this dented part. So what are these? Again, the overlapping vertices, but inside the face. So again we have to figure the vertices which is making the mess, like this is making the mess here. So if I press X, instead of deleting is like if you delete it, it will look like this. Instead of that, we'll just dissolve the vertices, like dissolving it, so it will not harm the shape. So you have to do, basically you have to do this to every of these. So I'll also show you up after cleaning all this mesh again. So this is the result after clearing the places. So now I'll think this what should I say, this thickness is okay, I think. Yeah, this much thickness should be okay actually. So I'll apply this modifier now, and geometry is type of like this. So now I'll go to sculpt mode and I'll try to smooth this out. Oh, it's like like moving. I'll smooth this place. Yeah. Oh, oh, um, yeah. So now oh, yeah, I'll unhide this donut. So it's okay. So I'll scale this up. Okay. So, oh, what's happening actually? Uh, yeah. So you have noticed that if I scale, like, I'll just scale this much, there are some parts which are coming out, like this part, this parts, some parts. So to fix that, you have to go to sculpt mode, and we have to sculpt out these places. I'll yeah, we have to sculpt. Oh, okay, it should be 8 pixels. So okay. So if I sculpt these places, so these places will be not shown like in the donut, the icing. Yeah. So I'll and this places. Oh, what are these? What happened to these places actually? Oh yeah. Oh, I'm not understanding why are there like some cracked type of vertices. No, there are not. So why does it look like this here? Okay, okay. So if I smooth it out here and here also little bit, yeah. So if I smooth now, like if I smooth now, I'll yeah. Oh, it's I got smooth here too much. Yeah. So we have to smooth these places. So how does it look now? So it looks nice, but in some places it's still not fixed, like in these places, not these places. Again, we have to do some things. I'll apply some here. Yeah. and some here also, little bit here, little bit. That would work. So now I'll go to my smoothing brush and I'll smooth this out little bit again. Oh, oh, okay. Okay, so I'll smooth this little bit back. Oh, I'm smooth. Why does it making it short? Yeah. Okay, so yeah. Mm, yeah, I'll smoothen out these places also. Mm. Oh, oh, too much smoothing. I'll increase the strength. Okay, so I'll do it here. Mm. Okay, so another big hole. Where is it? Where is that? Oh, okay, so the hole is here. Actually, you can't see the holes nicely. Like you have to squint your eyes too much. Okay, another hole. Oh my god. Where are the. Okay, here one hole. Twing. Okay. Oh, it's done. I think it's done. I think so. So if I go to edit mode and now if I like select all these vertices. Oh, yeah. So now if I press Alt J, many of the triangles are has become less. You can see the difference. Yeah. So can I decimate now? I'll just try it. Oh, the face count is more now. No, it's not more. Less. Type. It's more, very more. It's not 20. Oh, 20. Does it make any difference? If I increase to. Oh, okay. If I increase to 20. Okay, it does make. Oh, let's do it again. Though. Oh, okay. So this is its face count. So if I put 20, it's less. If I put 100, okay. So this is the maximum. I'll apply this, and now I'll select this bottom parts, and I'm going to make the drizzling icing. But before that, if you like, if I have this proportional, make sure you have the proportional editing on, turned on. And if I make this come down, you can see it's like, what is this? It's like going inside the donut, but we don't want it. We want perfectly to drizzle from the donut. So to make that, we'll enable this small magnet kind of thing, and instead of in snap target, instead of putting increment, which is the default mode, we'll put to the face project. So if I grab Z now, it attaches with the means it is like with the face. Okay, yeah. If I grab it Z, okay. So what's happening? Is anything okay? So if I be straight here, and if I grab this down, oh, so this is actually coming down. Grab. Oh, no y-axis. What will it happen if I try to grab it? And so if I'll just scale little bit this thing, yeah. So you can see it now perfectly. Yeah. I think a scale little. Yeah, this should be okay. So now if I do it again with another face. Oh, okay, so I'll keep it the like this size will be the before size only. So I'll just what I forgot. Yeah, I'll just make the drizzling from this size, and later on I'll scale it more. So I'll select this vertex and I'll make it come down like this, and I'll agree. Yeah. Now if I take a face here, sorry. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh, I didn't saw the upper part. Grab Z. Yeah. So the upper part is again destroyed if I grab it. Okay. Oh, what is this now? Grab Z. So this part gets pulled. So if I like grab Z, like grab Z, yeah, till there. Oh my god, what's happening? Yeah. Okay. So if I grab Z from here, I'll just reduce it. Yeah, this much should be okay, I think, with this. Gray grab Z. Oh my god, why does it pull the face from there? Why does it do that? So in sometimes it does pull the other side. And if I do grab that now, nothing happens. Oh, we got a very weird shape actually. If I scale this now, oh, okay. Yeah. So I'll select this place and I'll grab it down. That much should be okay. Uh, uh, I'll dissolve that vertex because it was disturbing too much. Oh, actually, if I oh, let it be there, and I'll just pull this part down a little bit. Grabs it. So I'll just make the wiggly wobbly shapes, some wibbly wobbly shapes. Okay, what's oh, you can see it got selected that side. It's pulling it like a magnet, and what is happening? Why? If I put face nearest, so what will it happen? Grabs it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Actually, this is better than the face project. I don't know why, but I know it's better. Why? If I put 0.1, okay, 1 will be okay. If I grab it down now, yeah, okay. So if it's basically creating some type of shape, this shape. So I think I can fix it later from sculpt. Okay, what is this now? Okay, can't understand why there are cracking faces here. Okay, so if I like smooth this out, okay, so I can fix that thing. I can fix that. But the problem, wait a minute. Yup, so I will do that thing again. Why I'm so. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Yeah. So I'll do the same things with these places. Yeah. Wait a minute. If I put this face nearest to 2, what will it happen? It's like it's like snapping with the face perfectly, but it's also pulling the vertices too much. So grabs it. Okay. Yeah. Grabs it. I'll select this part. Okay, so it's snapping with the face perfectly. It's like actually drizzling now. It's like actually drizzling type of. So feels like I'm like it's actually drizzling with like the donut. Oh my god, what's happening? Okay, so now I'll create some long droplets. I'll create some droplets. I'll grab this down. I'll shrink this down like this. That should be okay. Um, I'll do also same here. Grab that. I'll make this a little bit of short because it will look very weird if I make everything big. I also make one here. Mm, oh, okay. So I'll make one. Okay, yeah, one here. I'll try to make a crab's head. So how does it basically look if I scale it up? Does it look nice? Yeah, it does. It does look nice. but we have to fix these all. Okay, so uh and should I fix some place? Yeah, I should fix some places. Like it's some places it's like too plain, and in some places it's like um too juicy. So I'll select some faces. Okay, I'll select this. Grab Z. Okay, I'll just decorate. Okay, so like basically this it's like pointy. So I'll select this. Grab Z, and I'll if I select like this. Yeah, I think it's enough. Is it enough? Because I guess so. Scale, if I scale it just so that the tips don't. I think so. It's fine. It's just I'll just edit this parts. Grab it so me to make it more natural. Yeah, yeah. So now I'll go to the sculpt mode, and you can see the cracking uh vertices. I think so. Why does it look like this? I don't understand. Don't understand. I'm not understanding basically. Okay, for now I'll mm, hide this and I'll go to the sculpt mode. Okay, it's still like that. Oh, okay, what's happening now? Yeah, so if I sculpt these, okay, so I'll unhide these places. Yeah, so I'll go to the sculpt mode. I'll okay, so okay, so now okay, if I hide this, I didn't notice that actually it is also showing in object mode. The crackiness, like I can't just see it properly. What is the problem? If I go to the sculpt mode again, it's exactly the same. If I shade smooth, it's the same. It's like not understanding the problem. Why are there like cracking? What is there? Okay. Oh my god. So this is a new problem now. Cracking vertices. Mm-mm-mm. It's this big cracks. Okay. So what are these cracking vertices? Wait a minute, let me figure it out. Okay, so I found out the problem. So basically this there are two sides. One side is inside of the inside and one side is outside, so it's like too close. So if we sculpt it, like if we move even one vertex, it's like cracking it, making a cracking effect, but it's not cracking actually. So to fix that, we are going to go to the clay shapes, to go to this brush tab, and we are going to enable front faces only. If it is not enabled in your computer, make sure you um you make sure you on this tick like front faces only. So if we sculpt now, you can see it's fixed, so we don't have any problem now. So if I make some, so now we have to fix this everywhere to make sure that we don't have any place with these cracking mesh. um yeah, this side. If so, it's now do it's now only sculpting in one side, not the both sides. So before it was like sculpting both the sides, so it was like confusing blender. I think I am like doing too much. Some of the cracking places are not like fixed. Yeah, so what has happened here actually? Some of the, if I dissolve this, what is I, oh okay, so some of the vertices are like overlapping. I'll just fix this one. Yeah, that is the fixing the problem. X. Okay. So now we'll smoothen this out. Oh, we have also here. Okay. There are also some places. Oh, okay. So now I'll smooth this out. Oh, I just forgot to enable Dynotop. So if I smooth now, oh, first I'll put this torus. Oh, new problem. Can we fix this problem? Oh my god, it's too much. Okay. I'm smoothing out too much. I'll just decrease the weight. Yeah, so I'll decrease more so I can like smooth one place by rubbing like more times and less. So this is more efficient. Okay. And for now we have to like enable front faces for this also, or else the geometry will be messed up again. Yeah, fixing these sides. Oh, why this type of thing is, yeah, increase the radius. Oh, okay, but I'm putting front faces only, but why still it's cracking? Why does it still crack? Okay, so the keystone is like to just tap it a little bit and like instead of pressing so hard. Okay, I understood. It's about my radius. It's about my radius of the. Okay. So if I just scale it. Oh, we got our icing. And also we have to also sculpt some blobs. Is this blob? Yeah, it's a blob. Okay. So we'll just like create some blobby things. So it creates a effect of um uh, the icing drizzling. I'll just reduce the. I'll just create blobs near this so that it creates an illusion that it's the liquid, like the icing is falling. Some effect here also. Front faces only. Okay, I'll also create some blobby here. Here's some blobby. Here some. Here some. Here some. Here some. Okay, so it's looking. Oh! I went too much side. So the icing is looking nice. Okay, you can see the drizzliness. So in this video, it was very fun to make the icing of the donut. It was like very challenging, but we completed our challenge. It was an unexpected challenge. So in the next video, we'll do more fun things than just modeling and sculpting. So for now, bye bye.